guys, so in today's video I'm showing you what I got in my May Boxycharm. This definitely is a different look. Like, I would not normally go for a look like this, but we're experimenting today. If you are new, Boxycharm is a monthly subscription for $21. You receive 4 to 5 beauty products that are combined no lower than $100. This month's Boxycharm is valued at $104, which is crazy because you only pay $21 for it. The theme of this month's Boxycharm is Boxy Waves. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell, and let's go ahead and get started with my Boxycharm. The first item in my Boxycharm is this Glamglow Gentle Bubble Cleanser. This is priced at $28. I've actually been using this for a couple days now. I don't have any other cleanser that gets my mascara off like this does. Usually I use coconut oil to get rid of the mascara, but I can just use this and it works perfectly fine. I have been seeing a difference in my skin. My skin just seems clearer and healthier. I feel like this does a really good job of getting rid of all the impurities on my skin, and it gives a really good deep cleanse, but it's not harsh on your skin. I was really hoping that I got this, and I did, so I'm very happy. I actually was going to buy this whether I got this in my Boxycharm or not, but I got it in my Boxycharm, so now I don't have to purchase it. The Alamar Cosmetics Blush Trio. So this is definitely my type of blush. I like peach toned blushes, and there's just a little bit of a sheen in there. The tiniest little sparkles, but it's not chunky glitter. So let's go ahead and try this. I'm going to use my Morphe, as always. I'm going to use my Morphe stippling brush. I've already put on my foundation. I used my Bakerie Cake Mix foundation. As you can see, I've already bronzed my skin with my Butter Bronzer. I think I'm going to dip into these two shades right here and see what I get with that. Oh, that's so pretty. I have to be careful not to go overboard because I will. I don't know, just recently I've been loving blush, and this is so pretty. Wow, it gives you this beautiful natural glow, and it's just, I love this. I love this. I'm so glad that I got this in my Boxycharm. I was really hoping that I was going to get this blush trio. I think the other option was a eye palette, which I was excited about that, but I really wanted this blush trio, and I got it, so I'm very excited. I'm going to go on top with this highlighter just to get a little bit more sparkle. This blush trio is priced at $22. I love this color selection. It is perfect for me, especially for summertime. I can already tell you right now, I'm going to be using this so much in the summer. Yeah. So I'm really glad I got this in my Boxycharm. I'm really excited to use this and to continue using it. It just goes with a lot of the looks that I am currently wearing right now. So yeah. The next item in my Boxycharm is this Ciate Cream eyeshadow. And this is priced at $22. Ooh. So it's like a metallic pink shade. Oh, okay. That is major gold. Like, as soon as you rub it into your skin, it's a gold glitter. So I'm gonna go with my Soft Glam eyeshadow palette before I put this on my eyelids. This looks like it has a pink undertone, but it comes straight out like gold glitter. Like, the pink completely disappears. I don't see any pink in there. So I think I'm gonna go in with like this orange shade right here. It's called Cream Soda, and I'm gonna dust that all over my eyelids. Next, I'm going to go in with this shade right here. It's called Burnt Orange. I'm going to go in with this rose gold color right here. So now I'm going to go in and use this Ciate Cream eyeshadow. Trying to like build up the color here, but it's just coming out straight glitter. I mean, I guess you can get like a intense glittery look with this, but I'm not really liking it, to be honest, guys. Okay, it's really not that bad. You just have to play around with it a little bit. It's not like the ColourPop. Honestly, I think I might like the ColourPop better, but you can get a really pretty glitter with this. I'm gonna go back in with this cream shade really quick to make sure that everything looks blended. So all I did was I went in and really intensified that gold on my eyelid just so that you can see what it looks like. I mean, I think it looks pretty cool. Just have to work with it a little bit. I'm going around the edges of this gold eyeshadow with the shade in Mulberry, and I'm just defining the outer crease a little bit more. I mean, I think that looks pretty cool. I'm trying to make it blend with my outfit. I'm going in with my Grandiose Lancome mascara, and I will be right back. Alright, so I'm not really liking this eyeshadow. I had to go on top of it so many times to get this like intense glow. I don't think I really like this, but we're gonna keep going. I need to show you the next item in my Boxycharm, and that is this Bodyography eye pencil in Emerald. I'm kind of nervous about this because this looks like it might hurt. It's not creamy. It's an actual pencil, and these tend to really irritate my eyes. I don't really like this. I mean, the look actually looks nice, but actually using it kind of is irritating my eyes, so it's really rough. And you don't get a lot of color. I'm like really going over this a lot to get a lot of color, so I definitely am gonna have to learn how to use this. I don't want to be like super negative or anything, but I don't really like the eye stuff that came in this Boxycharm. You can get a really pretty intense look with this, but it's just not something that I feel like I'm going to use a lot. Alright, but let's finish off this look with a lip color that I'm very excited about. I am very excited about this one. I've never tried Dose of Colors, and I got a Dose of Colors liquid lipstick in this Boxycharm, and I got the color Rosebud. I think my friend Hannah got that color too. But this looks really pretty. This looks right down my street. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and put this right on. Never tried Dose of Colors lip product, so I'm really excited about this one. It definitely does not go with this look, but oh well. I actually kind of like this lip color. I'm definitely gonna have to play around with it and figure out what type of eye looks go with this. But it's definitely more cool tone than I'm used to as far as wearing on my lips. But I like it. I actually do like it. It's different. It's not a color that I would normally go for, but I don't know, I kind of like it. Overall, there were a couple disappointing products in this boxy, but there were some things that totally made it worth it. Like this blush trio. I am so excited about this. I love these colors. Like this is, out of everything in this box, I am just glad that I got this because I love these colors. They're perfect for my skin tone right now, and it kind of makes it worth it. These two products I feel like make this box worth it. I definitely need to play around with these two eye products more. They're not my favorite, but this lip color, it's really growing on me. It's different than anything that I've ever worn before. I've never worn a color like this, but I'm definitely gonna play around with more. I really like this formula. It's dried down and it's very comfortable to wear. It's not like emphasizing my lines in my lips or anything, so I'm really excited to use this. I think I might look into more colors from Dose of Colors. This formula just is really comfortable on my lips. It's not drying, and it was really easy to apply. This liquid matte lipstick is priced at $18, which is not bad. That's pretty good for a liquid lipstick. But that is all that I have for you in my Boxycharm. It's definitely more of a different look, but it's growing on me. It's growing on me. I don't like how my eye look turned out, but that's okay. That's okay. We can move on. We'll move on. But anyway, that is all that I have for you in this video. I really hope that you enjoyed, and I will see you in the next video.